Comes in a nice carrying bag. Sweet, that's awesome. Oh, it comes with a lock, which is great because this thing is protected. Oh, it's nice and big. Look at this, perfect. Oh, wonderful. All right, guys, I got it loaded with what I have to take in mine, but this thing will hold up to 20 cubic feet of space, so that's a lot of stuff you can put in there. You just want to put your larger items on the bottom and your lighter ones up on the top. And then strap it down. You've got a total of 2, 4, 6 straps to go around it this way, and then you've got 1, 2 straps to go around the side, and it can click onto anything. This guy is really nice and large. It does have this reflective strip, which is nice to let people know behind you that it's there so they don't hit it. It's waterproof bag. It's got these zippers, which are under this Velcro, which locks it over for protection. But it's got a lock, which is really convenient, so nobody can just come up and open up and steal your bag. So that's really nice. I really do enjoy that part of it, and the reflective is one of my favorite features of the bag. It works great. Check it out. Click on the link below. Thanks